This is a car that is so super rare. It's one of 3 right-hand drive Porsche Martini turbos, and it's the Martini part of it that makes it really unique. It definitely isn't a white Porsche with just stickers on it. This is a 3-litre non-intercooled 930, so one of the very early cars. The Martini part of it was reflected in their racing involvement at the time. These were the cars that they called the Widowmaker because the turbos came in really suddenly. And it's the inside that is the real signature of this car. It's got a unique leather design. The blue, the red, and almost a pearl white with Dr. Furman seats. And that's the thing that made this restoration immensely difficult. There's 2 brilliant parts to my job. One is having the pleasure of driving these rare cars. The second part of it is the people that you meet. You get really lovely people and beautiful cars to drive. That is a pleasure.